Okay, now this one, you are very, very lucky, this one. And I'm telling you are lucky.
Oh, what did I do?
So, do you know when I say to you that from here I'm going to give you further instructions? So the next mini roundabout turn left.
Yeah.
Now, because they have got temporary traffic light over there, so it's quite packed today. As you approached, you stopped the car because it was a close view. Excellent work, well done. You looked to the right, nobody was coming from the right. You glanced your left and you turned quickly, correct?
Yeah.
Did you have to look anywhere else?
Ahead.
Did you look ahead?
I don't know.
If you look, tell me what was there.
No, I can't remember what was there, so I didn't look. No, maybe I didn't.
There was a van driver there who was signaling coming into this way.
I can't remember.
I know. But you know why you are lucky?
Why?
Because on his right side, there were so many cars like a blocker blocking him coming out. So you are kind of get away with it.
I'll have to, if you put it on, I'll have to watch it back.
But
I
imagine
remember.
for 1 minute, if there is no cars coming down and no blockers, and he would have come, I would have pressed a brake.
Yeah.
So you kind of like that close to have the serious fault there.
Okay.
Please scan the whole area before, so you really, really get away with that one today.